My name's Asha, I live in Chesterfield and I'm staff nurse. The things that make you proudest are the really small things, the things that perhaps nobody else would really notice. So it's when you do something a little bit extra, make somebody a cup of tea at the end of your shift, or just the little things that you do and say to people and somebody will turn around and go, well, thank you, or that little thing made the difference.
Every day you're proud about something. You learn new skills every day, you learn new things every day, so every day feels like a new day.
My name's Steve Hatton, I'm from Manchester and I'm an ICU nurse. Where I used to work a while ago was a brand new unit and we had Charles and Camilla come and open it. So just to sit and chat to Prince Charles was a bit of a random experience.
What I've learned is to always bring a spare pair of socks, because there's quite a few times where you get covered in things you don't want to get covered in and you squelch home, so unless you have some fresh socks you're in trouble.
Asking a patient for a water sample and going back to the room afterwards, and they gave me a bottle of water out of the tap.
The most difficult time is probably when you've got a dying patient. Obviously trying to make them as comfortable as possible, but also the relatives, that's a really difficult one.
You've got to be there for them, so it's no good you crying all over them. You've got to think, well, I'm helping them, so you have to put your sadness to one side to help them, really. So sometimes that is hard to do.
Anybody that wants to be a nurse, I would personally encourage the person to. No matter how I feel when I'm leaving home to work, when I get to work, I'm happy. And that joy of nursing people back to life gives you the satisfaction.
Think about the patient and think that they could be your family or yourself or your friend one day, and treat them as you would treat your own.
Career-wise, nursing's a great career to get into. I think you've got so many options once you're in nursing. But you tend to think of nursing as being just hospital-based, but once you have your nursing qualification and your experience, you really can travel the world with it.
Just generally a way of people showing their thanks for your services, a way of feeling appreciated and good morale. It helps you go back to work, I think, with a positive attitude.
I think recognition and appreciation, because you go about your daily work each day, don't you, and you do what's expected of you, and you don't expect special rewards or special recognition. You just go about your daily work in life, and I think it's good. It's a nice ego boost, and it's just nice just to be thought of.
I think it's encouraging. It will make your employees feel great. I think it's one wonderful thing that you have done.